Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to schedule Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. So if you want to schedule a meeting with Microsoft Team in Outlook, what you have to do first, you have to log in your account. So when you log in your account, here you will see like this. So what you have to do, just here you will see new mail option. Okay, now here you will see drop down, just click on it, and here you have to click on event. Okay, so when you click on event, here you can add the meeting title. You can also add invitee attendees from here. Okay, here, and then after that you can just select the calendar uh, or date. Okay, or and also time. If it is all day meeting, just turn it on, and then after that you can also choose the time zone. And if it is in-person event, just turn it on. But if it is Teams, if you want to meeting on the Teams, Microsoft Teams, just turn it on, and then you can just add details here. Okay, after that you can schedule further, and you can also share your calendar from here. But now after these things, just add title and all these things, here you will see option send. Okay, so as I want to add here. Okay, weekly meeting like this, and then select attendee here, and then here you will see send option. You can also save as a draft, you can also send it. So like this you can schedule Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.